Hello, everyone. How y'all doing today? Well, today I got another interesting topic for y'all. I promise that I will drop interesting topic Monday through Friday and Saturday and Sunday in my day to study and prepare and get some rest. Anyway, today's topic is resurrection. And while you thinking about what I'm gonna say, all like you in all like you determine what resurrection is. Because God restore us, He forgive us from our sin. If we confess our sin with our mouth and He's a good God, He wake us up each and every day. So He does so good God because He wakes us up each and every day and He let us live to see throughout His day. Anyway, today's topic is resurrection, and I believe it's a very interesting topic with what I have to say. So, before I get any further, let me say a prayer. Dear most righteous Heavenly Father, Lord, in now as I come around you, I'm speaking to my brothers and my sisters, Father. Let them know that you are good, God, Father God. You are good, God, and you want to God. You are God, I love you. And care about that thing you want to see the better. Father God, whatever that we going through, our praying upon our coming in, you find out, Father God. Because you already, you already, you do the work, because all Lord glory and all praise. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. And today, this talk is resurrection. And it's resurrection, that's the topic. And I'm going to begin mine now. So, if y'all could just with me while I do this. And I want to say one more thing that I noticed that a couple people watching my videos. But y'all not subscribed yet. I'm not getting the subscribe and like, y'all don't do it. Well, I'm begging you today. I'm asking you, please subscribe to the channel. So you get a notification every time I drop one of my live videos, one of my interesting topics. And I want you to like, comment, and comment and subscribe. That's what I want you to do today. And remember, if you're not subscribed yet, what you've been watching me for a while, I'm not, please, if you would, subscribe to this channel where you get updates and you get interesting topics. But like I say, I'm on here to help and encourage everyone. I'm not here to let anyone feel bad or nothing like that. So, and I hope y'all enjoy this topic that I have for y'all today. Anyway, I'm starting at Jeremiah 30 verse 17 and say, For I will restore us unto thee, and I will eat thee of thy wound, said the Lord, because they called thee an outcast, saying, This is Zion, whom no man seek after. It said in the Bible. Now, I think somebody just missed it, and I want y'all to get everything that I'm saying. I'm going over it. In Jeremiah 30, verse 17, it say, For he will restore our else healing our wounds. In the Bible, it say in Jeremiah, it say, by his stripes we are healed. And this basically because it said, for I will restore health unto thee, and I will heal thee from thy wound, said the Lord. Said who? Said the Lord. Jehovah God, thou we worship and we praise. So much he deserves all the glory and all our praise. He do deserve all glory and all praise. I'm reading Psalm 51 verse 12. It says, restore unto me the joy of thy salvation and uphold me with thy free spirit. Somebody told me I gotta read it again over and over because I want y'all to get everything that I'm reading. Everything. Again, in Psalm 51 verse 1, it says, restore unto me the joy of thy salvation. Restore unto me the joy of my salvation. Like a couple of weeks ago, like probably a month ago, I put the topic joy, and this thing restore unto me the joy of thy salvation. Restore unto me the joy of your salvation, and you alone, you did not want to go and all praise, and you worthy of all praise. I'm reading Psalm 22 verse 3. It says, he restore my soul. He lead me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. He restore my soul. He lead me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. He restore my soul. He lead me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. And like I say in all my videos, like I did ask how y'all doing. And if y'all doing fine, if y'all doing okay, drop it down in the comment. Let me know today how was your day. Because like I really do care about each and every one of y'all. I do care about each and every one. Anyway, if I ever go about scripture and y'all don't understand what I'm saying the scripture, I'm saying the chapter, I'm saying the verse that I'm reading. And I would really appreciate it if y'all look it up in the Bible and y'all get the real meaning from it that I be getting from it. Again, I'm reading Psalm 51 verse 12. It says, restore unto me the joy of thy salvation. Restore unto me the joy of your salvation. You want the joy of the Lord's salvation. You want the joy of the Lord's salvation. Like, I'm going to go ahead and read the last two. He is a broken in heart, and by not the humble. He is the broken in heart. He is our heart. He is our heart. My head shots right here. Today, I'm asking you to believe me. No one better not form against you when I'm a prosper and everything all out against you in judgment shall be condemned. Shall be condemned. Every weapon that formed against you. God did say it won't form. He just say it wouldn't prosper. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. The next one I'm going to read is Jeremiah 17 verse 14. It says, heal me, O Lord, and I shall be healed. Save me, and I shall be saved. Father, have my praise. Heal me, O Lord. Heal me, O Lord. And I gotta read this one again. Psalm 51 verse 4. Gotta keep going back to it because it's saying so much. I don't want y'all to get what I'm saying. Restore unto me the joy of thy salvation, and uphold me with thy free spirit. Restore unto me the joy of your salvation. Like I say, either God, he deserves all the glory and all the praise. And all the praise. He do deserve all glory and all the praise. Anyway, next one I'm gonna read is Psalm 23 verse 3. And it says, He restore my soul. He lead me in the path of righteousness. He lead me in the path of righteousness. He lead me in the path of righteousness. He is indeed a good God. He is indeed a great God. He lead you in the path of righteousness. Whenever what's on my trying to come against you, I'll come against you. You will not prosper. He lead you in the path of righteousness. He is the broken in heart, and bind up thy wound. He is the broken in heart, and bind up thy wound. God gives restoration, and I pray now that I know this way I won't go for it, but somebody won't watch it. And today I'm bring a very interesting topic with somebody on there today. So anyway, this is where I'm gonna end this live video. So until y'all in my next episode, bye. God bless.